I wasn't feeling well and I began to swell up. I looked like an elephant lady.
That moment was pure terror.
My husband Jack was diagnosed with mesothelioma, and I chose to believe that he was going to make it.
Those were the last words that I thought that I would ever hear, is that I had breast cancer.
We will know and be intimate with many cancer patients. About 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women will come down in cancer. If we affect the basic biology of cancer, we can affect the treatment of cancer across many different cancer types.
Almost every major drug that we use in the clinic had to begin at the basic science level.
So there have been many drugs that we've been able to successfully enter onto these clinical trials with excellent outcomes. The Tower Cancer Research Foundation has funded approximately $2.5 million. These researchers have now been able to fund themselves to approximately $34 million. Their studies will definitely evolve into important therapeutic advances for cancer patients.
The Scientific Advisory Board review various applications and come to a consensus decision about which applications should ultimately get funded.
Sadly, at the end of our review, we have to reject the majority of these grants.
If there were more money, there'd be more science, and there'd be more advances, and there'd be better care for patients down the road.
Come visit us and you'll see what we're doing. We're doing so many different things. We have a psychosocial program.
I did feel that I was alone, going through this.
And when you're released, all of a sudden there's a void and it becomes scary. What do I do? Where do I go?
I actually have a community of people that care about me, so that, I could cry because this is a savior to me.
It's helped me physically, emotionally, and spiritually. And how do I feel? I wish Tower would have more of these classes.
The Magnolia Council is a support group for Tower Cancer Research Foundation. We're about 50 members strong right now. Cancer-free generation, and they're a young professional group. We're very proud of them.
We knew exactly where our donation would go. I personally wanted to give back so that you can live a really good life. Tower makes that happen.
Tower has had the opportunity to fund many projects. Camp Kesem, Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, Walks with Sally, Beit Tzedek Project, Angel Food. We've opened up a resource center at LA County, USC.
It's in an area which is extremely underserved, has some of the highest late-stage cancers. It really is a beacon of hope. It brings services that are much needed.
As difficult as it was, this is what I needed to do, was to help others.
I think I'm working so hard for cancer research because I don't want other families to go through this. I believe the more money we raise, the more research we do, yes, we will cure cancer.
Get the very best and brightest to go into science.
Tower has changed my life so much.
More people are surviving cancer than ever.
To be there for others who need help.
I have a passion.
You're helping the world.
There is so much happening.
We have to conquer this disease, and the only way we can is by raising money for research.
Thank you to all of you who give, who support Tower Cancer Research Foundation, because what you're doing is you're saving lives. You're saving my life. I thank you all for giving me a place and a venue to feel and be and know hope.